The demands of the Bodo leaders were as unrelenting as they were belligerent.
The basic truth is that this Assam government, its officials, bureaucrats, ministers, policemen, all are anti-tribal. So whatever these economic package or developmental schemes are sorted out or chalk out, this cannot be sincerely implemented in true sense. So this implementation is not possible under this anti-tribal government and its bureaucrats. So that is why the solution is the separation, the division of Assam and creation of separate state of Bodoland.
The central and state governments categorically refused further division of Assam, but agreed to a series of tripartite talks to defuse the volatile situation. The AGP state government, however, insisted that the then Congress government in the centre was encouraging the Bodos to the path of violence. They alleged certain central intelligence agencies of instigating the Bodo leaders to score political points against the state.
It is not true, it is baseless one. I have been protesting these things. This is not true at all. And Mr. Mohanto, he has sensed his words now. He himself has said that Roe has dissociated from Epson now. He said, and Roe did not associate us earlier also. We protested in yesterday's talk. He could not produce any document also. He charged that it is Roe spent 3 crores of rupees in Epson movement or like that.
No, unfortunately, these money that is spent or, these things are not documented. So you obviously will not have receipts or thing, but...
No,